Hello, I'm John Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. It is with pleasure that I announce that IPC India is celebrating a decade of successful support to India's electronics manufacturing industry. Since 2010, IPC's regional offices in Bengaluru and New Delhi have been helping OEMs, EMS companies, PCB manufacturers, cable and wire harness manufacturers, and electronics industry suppliers build electronics better through skill training and certification. We've certified more than 11,000 professionals from the electronics manufacturing industry in the region. I would like to thank all IPC members, stakeholders, and the Government of India for joining us on this journey. Electronics manufacturing has been growing significantly in India, and IPC would like to support the Government of India and industry by providing resources that will help electronics manufacturers create better quality products and enhance job skills. As part of our 10-year celebration, IPC India has launched a series of activities including member networking events and skill challenge competitions throughout India, culminating in the inaugural Integrated Electronics Manufacturing and Interconnections event scheduled in New Delhi on August 2nd and Bengaluru on August 4th, 2022. The IEMI New Delhi event on August 2nd will be dedicated to India's transformation into emerging tech, Industry 4.0, and mobile manufacturing hub. And the IEMI Bengaluru event on August 4th will be focused on India Emerging Aerospace Electronics Hub. I would like to thank the Government of India, IPC India members, and several Indian and international trade associations for supporting the events. IEMI will allow designers, manufacturers, traders, suppliers, service providers, and technical experts to connect, communicate, collaborate, create, and develop new business relationships. We're expecting over 800 delegates from India and international visitors to the two cities. I am confident that IEMI 2022 will help you expand your business prospects and forge new strategic partnerships, and I look forward to meeting you at IEMI. For more information, visit www.ipcindia.org.in. Thank you.